So, me, Lainey, and everybody are going to go and blow some pumpkins up and go shoot our guns. And this is called like the FMC park. And so I'll try and video like when we do it. I'm not sure. I'm just getting up there now. Everybody's up there already. So, but it's kind of a crappy day.
Yep, it is.
But it's not really windy. So we're gonna go and blow this pumpkin up. So, and then I'm almost to the gun range, so I'll just show you. Just kind of go on a little ride. So we were just gonna sight our gun in because we're gonna go deer hunting, but one of my little boy that's 12 decided that it would be fun to blow pumpkins up. So we're at the gun range and we can't blow them up at the gun range, so we have to go up the road. So I'll video it when we do that. So thanks for watching.